I chose Margaret Mead's Bathing a Baby in 3 Different Cultures. So the comparisons between that and Baraka are that they both examine a wide variety of different cultures. And I hate to say it, but that's the only comparison that I can really make. For the contrasts, however, what Margaret does that Ron doesn't is she gives a privileged white woman in America's perspective of cultures that she examines in her video or her film. And what's wrong with that is she doesn't actually give the viewers an idea of what's actually happened, but what she thinks has actually happened. And what Ron does is that he doesn't even narrate what is going on in Baraka. He allows the cultures that he's examining to do that themselves. Although there is no vocal communication, there's a lot of visual communication, and it gives the viewers, more of a realistic idea of what is happening, because he doesn't, whitewash any of the cultures. He doesn't say anything negative or demeaning about the cultures. He just allows them to kind of speak for themselves. And, I definitely appreciated that a lot more than Margaret whitewashing the cultures that she examined. For example, I believe it was Uganda. Don't remember the country in Africa that she examined in the first part of her video. But the first part of her video, there's a mother that is bathing her child in a river, and what Margaret does is speak for the woman. She says that the mother is really rough with her child, and kind of implies that the mother doesn't really care as much for her child. And she makes a statement that it appeared that the mother kind of just swung the baby around to dry it off, and Margaret doesn't really get any feedback from the mother of the child, of what she's doing and why she did what she did. She only said, she shakes off the baby to dry it, and then they move on. So she kind of gives more of a privileged idea in comparison to the next part of her video, where it takes place in America with a white mother and her white child, and she is very notable of the love and the affection that the mother and the child share for each other, and that the mother plays with her child in the tub, and that she's very gentle and nurturing and caring. So it kind of leads the viewer to believe that mothers in Africa can't be like the mothers in America. So it's it's very privileged, and it's very I believe racist and ethnocentric. And that's what I got to say about that. So cool. Bye.